Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story quality on your phone, right? So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store here and on the search bar, just type Instagram and make sure that you are using the updated version. So in the place of open, if you find an update like this, so update the app right now, okay? And after updating the app, make sure just go into the Instagram here, then just click on the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner. After that, you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, then just go to the settings here. After that, click on the account, and here you have to scroll a little bit down and you will get a new option that is called cellular data use. So click on here and just click on data saver. So if this toggle is open on, make sure to off this, right? And after that, this is it. And here you have to, if you on it, you can say here that click on cellular plus Wi-Fi and just make it off, right? So in this way, this is happening because your Instagram account is trying to save internet. That's why he is using, or it is using, a low quality picture to upload to save internet. So you have to just turn it off. So if you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.